So to act as a facilitator for deliberation and promotion of aviation activities in India. It is most befitting to this occasion that we have our Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, Chief of the Air Staff, as our chief guest. He is going to deliver the keynote address. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my proud privilege and an honor to introduce our chief guest to the audience. Before I proceed further, may I request you all to put your hands together to extend a very warm welcome to Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, Chief of the Air Staff, and Mrs. Sarita Singh, President of our Central.
During the last year, we achieved the prestigious Maharatna status, the first among defense PSUs, in recognition of our strong financial performance, R&D and strategic initiatives. On the financial parameters, HAL recorded an all-time high turnover of 30,105 crores, driven by consistent order execution and growing demand for our indigenous platforms. HAL's operational resilience and agility led to a 7% growth from the previous year. We achieved very significant milestones during the last year. Certification of the upgraded civil variant of the ALH group by DGCA for the Mark 1, and we anticipate to address the growing demand in civil aviation.
श्रीकृष्णानुग्रहं वयं प्रार्थयामः. अस्माकं देशः आर्थिकसङ्कष्टे इदानीं विशेषरूपेण आर्थिकसङ्कष्टे वर्तते. तादृशसङ्कष्टपरिहारार्थं श्रीकृष्णस्य विशेष अनुग्रहः अपेक्षितः. तदर्थं पुनरपि रुक्मिणीम् अत्र आहूय अत्र विशेष अनुग्रहं
ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸುಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತದ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿಯಾಗಿ 21 ಸಲ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮಂಡನೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಸಮೃದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಲೌಕಿಕ ಎರಡೂ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇಶ ಸಮೃದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ